Check out this right here. Check that out. Check out my little tricycle. The handlebars on it. Where you going, boy? Work with Lost Venture Blog, Shana, Bernadette, Lawson. I guess you want to sit down there and sew. I'm gonna go give him a video of him getting pushed around on this. Look at him, he's all excited. I said from why I send the video over.
Nagbubuka siya guys ng regalo ko yan sa apo ko.
Parcel Chico. Guys, let's open the parcel. I hope kompleto. Yung mga bata naman ang masaya. Sana all. Ang sipgat na ano ba? Ay, nakatingin ba? Ah, ito kami. Simbol ta guys. Ang ganda mo yung baby. Wow.
Pag namamalingki sila ni papo niya.
Hindi siya mapalingki guys. Ah, pwede may malaki oh.
Wow! Like this oh. Wow! Wow! Wow!
This is the ano?
Na-control.
Control.
Jika! Hindi pa inabuti Jiko. Wow! Ganda! Wow! Plator, no? Tingnan na doon sa mandar. Puti.
Look at you. There he goes. That's another one there. There you go, Jacob. What is it? Hello. There you go. Turn around on me, Jacob. Huh?
Yeah!
Thank
Agree!
you. There we go, there we go.
Like that? Ah, don't know.
Yeah, there you go. Have fun, Jacob. I was scared to bring him out here earlier because it was so muddy. I didn't want to get it dirty. He enjoying his little ride.
Put your feet here! Here, oh!
Here he comes.
Wow, tricycle, oh! Hi! Morning glory, morning glory.
I see. Got watch for what's that, Jacob? Don't want to run into that stuff. Turn around, going back.
Hold! Jacob, hold! Not to turn around.
He's enjoying his little ride.
Hindi mo pa yan. Dito lang oh.
He don't want to put his feet, want his feet hanging down.
Yeah.
I think he's trying to put his feet on the pedals.
Ninong mo, gata na po. Ninong mo.
I don't want to push him now. I gotta do it with one hand. I don't know.
Give that to me, Daddy.
Alright. Here you go, I got him. Eat, eat. Hey, Jessica.
MX3.
Here's the key. We got it from right there. What is it, boy? Papa pushing you now, see?
Magkano bingka? Dad, careful ah.
Whee! Where you going? Try and dodge the water, Jacob. And the morning glory's on the ground. Beep, beep. Hey, I got him out here, strolling him around. Yep, got him out here, riding him around. Jacob. Hey, boy. We're gonna turn around right down here. Whee! We'll turn around right there. Where here the chickens are at. There. And yeah. Hey, Mama's out here now. I went right there where the chickens was at, turned around and came back. Watch it, we ain't running the morning glories out here. We have a sticky situation here.
Put your feet here, oh, so not hard, no, not tired. No.
He won't keep his. I think we'll put straps on there. Hey, Kathleen. My stepdaughter. Man, my wife have her take care of Jacob, and I have to take care of him too, supporting money-wise and stuff. Whee! Not doing it like this right here while I go. Come on, Jacob. Whee! Whee!
Hold lang kasi dito, oh, hold dito, oh, hold, oh, like that. Ah, no talaga ba?
Yep, I got to clean the wheel off. I got a morning glory on it.
Morning glory, ano yun?
I was trying not to run into it, and I did. Now getting out of the way of a
Man,
motorbike coming down through there. Jake can go tell him I ran the boo-boo.
a boo-boo.
They gonna go tell on me. You gonna tell Grandma and Papa? Hey.
Na, let's go. Na, let's go na.
Hey.
Sa iklin na ano. Will.
Yeah, strapping. Oh yeah, he's got a little strap on there. Jacob! I caught that!
Jacob!
That little seat belt.
Jacob to!
Umutot. Matayan ko no. Got kaya will wash.
I'm gonna set it right there.
Saka yung oh, ano nangyari? Ang ilong niya may itim.
Be back!
So, ano ba kinagat na yung foam sa ano? Ani, wow!
She picked him up off and went.
Kuha ko, umutot.
You enjoy your little ride, Jacob? Yeah!
Yeah!
Had fun, huh? Wife in here sewing. Eep, boo! Eep, boo! 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 Ah! Think of what Lawson went to block. Shane and Bernadette Lawson and little Jacob right here. And little buddy. Look at him. Woo-hoo. Ah! Hey. Ooh.